Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And it's Top Tip Tuesday. Top Tip Tuesday. Top Tip Tuesday. And it's National Pretzel Day. Well, actually, it was Monday. National Pretzel Day was Monday, but there's still a lot of good deals that are going on. So, I have to share those special offers with you. And that is why I thought this would be a perfect time to share them with you for Top Tip Tuesday. Top Tip Tuesday. But before we get into the offers, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. We want to make this video circulate throughout YouTube so everyone can take advantage of all the offers that I'm going to talk about. Also, comment below which offers you plan on doing, or if you've already done it, how you made out. What's nice about some of these offers is that they are not just good for today, but they are good for a couple of weeks. So you have opportunity to take advantage of all of them. So go get your pens and paper ready, take some screenshots, and let's get ready to save. Okay, so are you ready to hear about all the deals from National Pretzel Day and Top Tip Tuesday? Well, I'm ready to share. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell right beside the subscription button. That way you won't miss out on any great deals, and you'll receive a notification every time I upload a video. And most importantly, share this video with all your friends, family, and neighbors so that they can save too. Now on to our deals. The first offer is from Auntie Ann's. Today through April 30th, Auntie Ann's is hosting a conference on Instagram, a contest on Instagram. So just comment or post to be entered to win free pretzels for a whole year. Yes, free pretzels for a whole year. And they are choosing 5 winners a day. Whoa. Now that's a lot of free pretzels, right? They are also giving away free delivery on all orders of $12 or more if you go through the app. So 2 things. Make sure that you go on and you comment or post so you could be entered to win free pretzels for a whole year. And if you place an order, get your free delivery if your order is $12 or more, but make sure you go through the app. All right, second deal. That is through Wendy's. They're even having a promotion. Any customer who buys a pretzel bacon pub cheeseburger can get a second one for just $1. You just have to place your order using the Wendy's mobile app. And this offer is good through May 23rd. So buy your pretzel bacon pub cheeseburger through the app and get a second one for $1. Deal good through May 23rd. And the last one I have for you is for Sonic Drive-In. So now through May 2nd, you can get a soft pretzel twist for $1 when you order online or in the app. So go ahead, place your order for Sonic Drive-Thru online or in the app and get your soft pretzel twist. That is a tongue twister. Soft pretzel twist for just $1. So that's all I have, guys, for Top Tip Tuesday. So go out, get your sweets, your treats, get your eat on. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back. Let me know which deals you did, how you enjoyed them, or comment below which deals that you want to do. And don't forget to share with friends, family, neighbors. Don't forget to repost on your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter. Send it out through Messenger. Send it out through text. Share with everyone all the freebies, the deals, and how we're saving money over here at Nicole is Making It Happen. And until next Tuesday, keep on saving.